Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Agent Stacks. Before starting the series, मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं आपसे एक phrase share करूँ. What if I told that the AI is changing the world faster than the internet ever did, and most people still don't know how to use it effectively? So this is the real scenario. What's happening in today's world? People have a lot of resources. People have a lot of uh, tools to use to build AI applications, but still people are not aware how to build the industry level applications. Over the past few years, I am working as an AI engineer in one of the top MNCs. I have 3 years of experience. I have built amazing solutions starting from scratch with the AI capabilities, and I am very much understanding about how to use LLMs, how to use LangChain, how to create flows using LangGraph. And the one which I have been learning is completely different what I was supposed to learn at college. बट दिस गैप मैं नहीं चाहता कि आपको फेस हो आप मैं नहीं चाहता कि आपको समझे नहीं कि रियल वर्ल्ड में क्या होता है और कॉलेज में क्या सिखाया जाता है। इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि एक अपना सारा एक्सपीरियंस को मैं लगा के मैं आप लोगों को सिखाऊं कि कैसे हम एआई सॉल्यूशंस बिल्ड कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। completely nothing about AI. I will teach you everything from scratch, from zero, and I will take you to the advancement of this using this complete AI series. So now starting off the video, why to learn AI? So basically, AI today is a core skill that every software engineer should have. Today, आज बहुत सारे software engineers है, maybe they are best at what they have, but today the real thing comes from AI. When I am working in my company, I used to see that the AI integration is very important. Every client asks for AI integrations कि हमें यहाँ पे AI लगाना है, हमें वहाँ पे AI लगाना है. But ultimately, the real money comes when you know AI. AI will help you build products much faster. It's not only you build using AI, it also like you have to build products with the help of AI. The demand of AI is very high. You will be having a very absolute solid career if you have understanding about AI engineering. And as we know, AI is transforming every industry. हर इंडस्ट्री चाहे वो HR हो चाहे वो फाइनेंस हो चाहे वो एक like anything like whichever comes today has a specific role to the industry, AI is always being the part of it. Now comes the next part. Why learn AI right now? So these are some of the statistics which I have researched on myself so that I will make you guys very comfortable with the fact that why AI is very booming and why it is very important today. So the global economy added 1.3 million AI related jobs in just 2 years with demand for AI engineers continuing to surge. And this is from World Economic Forum. And there are two more articles which I have pasted here. So ultimately this shows exactly why AI is very important today, why people learn AI, why people invest on AI. Now comes the next important thing, which this is something which I created by myself based on my understanding, my experience, what companies actually want. So companies are not aligned that they only want AI, AI, AI. They want an AI stack. They want agent stack. They want agentic AI frameworks which can integrate to the system. So आज कंपनीज को एक ऐसा एक सिस्टम चाहिए जो एक अच्छा खासा LLM इंटीग्रेशन हो. LLM में भी कॉस्ट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन आता है बिकॉज यू हैव सीन tons of articles कि AI is going too costly. People don't know how to manage the cost. This also something which I will be teaching in this entire course, how to optimize AI so that you will create the best solution with the least efforts and least cost possible. So we use LLMs. So LLMs have a lot of limitations which can be overtaken using some of the frameworks, some of the advanced frameworks. Then comes database. It's not only today we are having SQL, NoSQL. Today we have vector databases. जो बहुत बूमिंग है, आज बहुत चल रहा है मार्केट में, वेक्टर डेटाबेसेस, that also I am going to cover entirely in this course. Then we have cloud and deployments. Basically, it's not always about how you build a solution, it's on how you scale the solution. So, uske liye you should be knowing about cloud deployments. So, not in this course particularly, but in future, I will be coming up with cloud like AWS or GCP, or I will be having also an end-to-end course on Docker. Then comes the next important part, which is backend engineering. Backend is the core of development. If you don't know backend, any level of AI is fail in that. So AI is one part which you should be always be interested to learn. But the next part, if you want to place yourself at a very high position in the tech industry, मैं 100% recommend करूँगा. After this course, I will create an end-to-end course on backend engineering, and I will help you guys to understand how does backend engineering really work and how much impactful it is today. Next comes the system design. System design is one of the most efficient way how you scale your products. And system design is very much important, not maybe coming next few months or like span of time, but definitely after some 8 to 9 months, I will be coming up with system design once my cloud database, LLMs, and AI and backend engineering is done. Then comes the security and monitoring. This is basically how you monitor your AI development. So these all things we'll be learning some of it in this course regarding guardrails and many more things. But in future, definitely we'll be coming up how to monitor, how to create a secured AI application. So basically, in short, companies want a problem solver who can combine AI with a strong engineering skills to build and ship scale the real products. So this is what a very high level understanding of what do company actually want. This is something which I have faced when I'm working. When I started off, there was a lot of maybe breakages on my understanding about AI. But even after a few time, like when I build something, when I develop myself to a better AI engineer, I have learned all of this. So now comes the next part, which is what you will learn from here. So this is some of the highlights which I have mentioned. There may be additions to it which you will be facing in future. I'll be starting off with understanding LLMs. I will explain what is prompt engineering. This is not a step by step one, but this is something which I will try to cover. I will create a detailed playlist on individual items as well, because I want to create separate packages starting from a big package for AI, as well as understanding separately about prompt engineering, AI agents, LangChain, LangGraph, LangSmith, MCP, AI guardrails. So these are things I will try to cover on an individual method as well as a complete package of AI engineering. And the last one, which is backend development, will be the future scope. Once I finish the entire AI understanding for you guys, then you can start with the backend development. Now comes like who should watch this series. So this series is particularly for students and working professionals. I am very much aware that आज के दुनिया में students लोग को भी सिखाया जाता है AI engineer के बारे में in the college itself, and they are having some courses and all. People are very interested today. So मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो students को भी मैं सिखाऊँ. I will teach them like they are student as well. Also, this is for working professional, mostly for the one who wants to transition. There are a lot of people who don't know AI, but they have around 5 to 6 years of experience working with Java, working with Python. So I really want that they also come into this field. They should learn AI from scratch. And eventually, after some time, they will be able to build their own applications. Secondly, understanding on Python and Fast API. So basically, why I have mentioned it, because I don't want to start from very scratch. मैं चाहता तो मैं start Python से create कर सकता था, but I know that there are tons and tons of courses for Python available, जो शायद वो एक ही चीज़ मे बी 100 people are teaching. So I don't want to waste my time on teaching you which is already very widely available. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं आपको वो सिखाऊँ जो शायद आज इंडस्ट्री ग्रेड लेवल पे यूट्यूब में नहीं अवेलेबल होगा एट अ फ्री कॉस्ट। सो मैं आपको उस तरीके से सिखाऊंगा कि आई विल स्टार्ट विथ like LLMs, then I will start with AI fundamentals, and eventually I will be taking on to the advanced AI topics. So I would be very happy if you take the initiative कि आप पहले जाके Python सीख लो and then continue course from here. It will be very helpful. I am targeting the one who wants to learn industry grade AI engineering. I am targeting them who really wants to see how our real applications build. Like this series is not about teaching how to code, man, because I know that coding today may not be the best thing which everyone is doing, but I want my target is how to scale AI systems. That is what I am targeting in this series. So now coming on to what to expect from the series. So what I will try is to start from basics from of AI development and reach to the advanced standards where I will teach you how to build industry level systems. This entire course will be a structured content. मैं नहीं चाहता कि आपको मैं 2 3 4 टॉपिक्स सिखा के मैं इस सीरीज को एंड करूँ, because I know I have been someone who wanting a really structured content when I was in college, when I was learning about data science, machine learning. But today, when I am learning AI, so I am focusing on building a structured content so that I want you to learn step by step which and where it is to be learned. Then comes that this entire series will be having more than 100 videos because it's starting from very scratch, and I will try my very best to cover a lot of real world scenarios, lot of end-to-end projects. And so I feel like this entire series can go more than 100 views. And this entire series will be having a quality 50 hours of content explaining you everything from scratch about AI engineering, and also moving on with the real world scenarios and end-to-end scenario use cases. Then we have like AI tips from real industry experience. So basically वो जो भी experience जो मैंने सीखा है, जो experience जो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं एक college student को समझाऊँ, वो experience जो मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक working professional जो transition करना चाहते हैं AI में, उनको मैं समझाऊँ. So ये सारे चीज़ जो है ये मैं try करूँगा cover up करने को, because that will make their problem and life easier, and I am very happy to do that. Next is a job oriented preparation on strategies to crack interviews. So basically, in my entire experience, I have cracked a good amount of offers in AI engineering, where I have been, I have been preparing some notes which I have created, and that notes work amazingly. So वो जो notes है जो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे काम किए हैं, मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं आपसे भी वो शेयर करूँ, because I want you guys to crack interviews. So that's why I would be very happy that once on the course of time I will try to add that notes as well, so that on a certain period of time whenever you require, you can have that notes. Now comes the basic requirement of series. So before starting this series, I would be expecting you guys to have some basic requirement. One is create and maintain maths. I would suggest you as a brother here that please maintain your notes. Please create your notes, because during a day before interview, notes help a very much. Because I have been a person who started learning without notes, and then again I had to start from scratch, because ultimately हर इंसान भूल जाता है, और मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप भूल जाए हर चीज़ once the series is completed. I don't want you to again come and start from scratch and create notes. So better like as it goes, if you create notes, I will be sharing some PPT as well, slides as well, where I will explain every single concept, every single thing, every single insights. So मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप वो understand करें, note down करें. Next comes always come with a mindset to learn and upskill. This is very important because this thing is so valuable that Even I would suggest you every day 1 hour, proper mindset, proper learning everything. It will help you a lot. So better like once you come to watch any video, just come with a mindset कि मुझे आज कुछ सीखना है, मुझे आज कुछ build करना है. Next comes like, subscribe channel for helping the channel grow and upskill others as well. This is very important for me, particularly as a new YouTuber, content creator, basically. So basically, when I'm starting new, I have a very clear mindset, a clear hope that I want this channel to grow as much as possible, and I will help everyone to upskilling AI. So I want some support from you. You can subscribe, you can like the video, you can share to some people, some loved ones, because definitely they will also learn. And ultimately, it will give me motivation that in future I will come with lot of amazing content. And now coming up to last point, which is it's not only till AI engineering. I am expert in backend development, cloud development, deployment. I have worked with everything which is mentioned here. So I want कि in future मैं ये भी आपको provide करूँ. So for that your support is indeed needed. Your motivation will keep me up, and I will be creating end-to-end playlist on that backend, cloud and deployment task. And now comes the last part. Thank you so much for watching. Let's start a new journey to AI engineering. My goal will be every day upload a new video. Maybe some cases or in urgent cases, maybe I miss a day or two, but definitely I will be coming back because this is something which I love to do, and I would love help people to grow and learn AI. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.